Morning folks, how are you all? It's been a couple of days, so I uploaded the van tour video yesterday, but I'm still where I was, at the bottom of Mamtor. What a gorgeous, gorgeous park up, really is. I'll head off today, somewhere else, don't want to stay here too long, taking the piss then, ain't you? Look at that though, what a view to wake up to in the morning. Even got a bit of sun. Sorry if I come across a bit, I don't know what the word is, arseholey. You know, with saying like, this is my morning routine and looking out the window, having my coffee. Like, I don't mean to sound like a knob about it, I just telling you how it is. This is what I do. I love it, absolutely love it. We're going to get the video sorted out, and yeah, I don't know really, I'm not sure what to do. So I want to be in Birmingham for the weekend. I really want to go get this like pre-MOT inspection thing. So they basically do an MOT without actually putting it through an MOT. Because if I go for one, a proper one now, and it fails like hard, then I don't have a vehicle. I'm stuck, because you're not allowed to drive them anymore, are you? If it's got like a major defect or something. So if they can go get the pre-MOT first, see what they say, and if there's anything that I need to fix, then you know I can do it, but I'm not stuck. There's nothing like majorly, you know, gonna split in half or something. Well, I don't think anyway. I hope not. But I am worried. Obviously, if anything does need like welding, then that's going to be a ball ache. So that's why I want to go back to Leicester to do that. Because if that does need to be done, then I can go to my mum's, use my welder. I've got big jacks there and all sorts, you know, axle stands, that kind of thing. So, and I'm on a driveway, so it's, you know, safe to start pulling the van apart. Can't really do that kind of stuff at the side of the road, can you? So I'm debating, because of like fuel and stuff, and trying to think, do I go back today and then try and get in for an MOT thing tomorrow, or do I hang around here, go Birmingham, then go back? However, I think Marie's going to come to the NEC as well, but obviously there's no point taking two vans because that's just a waste of fuel. I'll probably have to go pick her up from Leicester. So either way, I think I'm going to have to go back there before. I don't know. I don't know what the plan is yet. Standard Ash Pollard morning talk. Don't know what I'm doing in my life. But yeah, you'll know as soon as I know. Well, actually you won't, because you're a day behind me, but you get the idea. So there we go, folks. Oh, that's Rob's van tour video edited and uploaded for you tonight. Hope you enjoy it, or I hope you'd enjoyed it, because this is, you know what, doing these things and talking from the future kind of thing is a bit weird. I always struggle to get my head around it. Forget what time zone I'm in. Right, I'm just going to have a coffee and try and figure out what the hell I'm doing. Right, I've done it. Balls out. Booked it in for Wednesday morning back in Leicester. Sort of pre-MOT inspection, so they obviously go through everything that it'd need for an MOT without actually failing it or passing it. But they said they do MOTs as well, obviously, so if it's all good, I'll just put it through the MOT. I don't think it'll pass on the tyres, I'm not sure. But, I mean, they're irrelevant. It's more like if the chassis got issues and that kind of thing that I'm worried about. I've got that horrible feeling in the pit of my stomach that it's going to be a massive list. I don't know, we'll have to see. There's no point dwelling on it until it's done, is there? So that's why I'm just getting it out of the way now, and then can go from there, really. Right, folks, I've made my mind up. I'm going to head. It's a smart thing to do. So, yeah, I'm going to have to put the Peak District adventure on pause for a little bit. I'm sure you can rely on Liam uploading videos of this amazing place while I'm gone. So, make sure you go subscribe to him. Alright, let's get on the road. It's not that far away, to be fair. It's only like an hour and a half, so let's do it. 90 miles later, we are back in the Shire. I need to eat before I pass out. Right, we'll catch up in a bit. Had a little time to collect myself. I always feel battered after motorway driving. Like normal driving on like small roads, I can do it for hours and hours and hours, but motorway just kills me off. Probably because I'm constantly avoiding morons who seem hell-bent on trying to kill me. I forgot about these. A friend sent me these. Sent me these to try out. LED spotlight mini things. Now these are the same size as the ones I've got up on the sides, but they're a bit different. They've got like they're a bit like you get light bars where they have the middle bit and then two separate beams at the side. I don't know how much difference they'll make in a light this small, but I think I'm going to stick these on the back because I've got some on there at the minute, but they are crap. These are quite small wires on this, so I should be able to just tap this into those ones and then I'll have 4 reversing lights so I can light the whole area up behind the van. So we'll go stick these on and then see if they're any good once it gets dark. Right, so I've just done a really quick bodge up at the back. I have not tried it yet, so I've just tapped into the ones I've already got. So I'll stick that on, see if it's worked. Hope it does, because that'll make my life a lot easier. So you can see that's the normal ones on. Has the new one come on? Yes it has. Is it any better? Oh Jesus. Yep, that's brighter. 100% brighter. Okay, awesome. Literally all I've done, pulled the wires out. Obviously I'm going to do a better job than this because that's ridiculous, but just tapped into it and I know it'll be fine because I put some pretty heavy duty cables in for these and they're not really that high wattage anyway, so it'll be able to take all 4 of them. Cool. The question is, where am I going to put them? This is why I couldn't do a normal job, folks, because health and safety is just a foreign concept to me. Oh, holding the ladder away with one arm, or with my elbow, while screwing in with the other one. There we go, that's mounted. I didn't really want to screw into the van again. I was going to go into that, but the cable don't reach, so just had to bang a tech screw in with a bit of sealant. They are intense. Holy shit. They are mad bright. Look at the difference on the camera. Right folks, cool. How alien does this feel? Recording a video from inside a house. I don't know if I like it. Miss my van. It's only over there on the driveway, but yeah, I'll be going back to it in a minute. Just had a nice hot shower. Not had anything else to talk about, so I've not picked the camera up. Tomorrow, I've decided I'm going to go to the motorhome show, Birmingham. Obviously this is going to be too late for any of you to see it. I'll have already gone by the time you see this. However, I am also going on Saturday. I wasn't really sure about it, but yeah, I decided might as well. I'm going to go tomorrow because it should hopefully be kind of quiet. Meeting up with a mate there. Probably going to try and do some walk-arounds of vans if there's anything interesting. I mean, I'm not going to do it for like just any old motorhome because they don't really appeal to me in any way. But if there's any vans that I do like the look of, then I'll try and do a little walk-around video for you. So that's what tomorrow's about. I'm sure we'll find something interesting there. And then Saturday, it's going to be me, Marie and CJ going. So hopefully we'll see a few of you there. If you see us, come say hello. And yeah, it should be fun. I imagine it's going to be packed. I did quite enjoy it last time, to be fair. I thought it was going to be boring, but once I got hanging out with Phil that was there before. Had a right laugh, so that's why I'm going to go again. But yeah, I'm going to end this video now so that I can edit it now, because otherwise I'm not going to have a chance tomorrow. So yeah, it's just a short update one. But Wednesday is obviously the MOT thing, so I'll take you along for that. Hopefully they let me film so we can point out how badly I've been mistreating my van. Hopefully it doesn't need too much work. But yeah, that's about all I've got for you, I'm afraid. So hopefully see a few of you at the show maybe, and I'll catch you all in a bit.